have here is the P180, Automotive Circuit System Diagnostics. And it's a really great tool that's been improved. It's got a very clean 1.7-inch color screen. The thing that it comes with is a wire finder. So you can look for a short or a break, you can kind of trace. So you use what's called Pathfinder. And just kind of an example, all we do is hold down the button here and we can trace the ground wire all the way across. One of my favorites is clean injectors. So you can, it has 4 modes where you can have your fuel injector in hand. You can apply using a little flexible tip here if you need it. In there, you apply ground, and then the mode will turn the fuel injector off and on at certain points, and then you can clean it, each one. So you can get it to pulse. Other things are, one of my favorites is checking circuits. So I do a lot of trailer work, always trying to chase down why the right brake light doesn't work or the right tail, etc. With this, you can apply plus DC voltage. This device, you can actually apply a 12-volt voltage into your system, so you can power things to see if you can make the brake light work or tail light work, check a light bulb, that kind of thing. You can apply ground. It's got a circuit breaker on the side. Some of the other features, of course, you can do ohms testing. So we can, check relays or anything that needs to have the ohms tested. You can check your battery, and you can do a startup test, load test. You can see how much, say you turn on your AC and your fan up all the way, and you want to see if you're able to hold a load. Your battery, your alternator can be tested that way. Startup test, you can look at your battery voltage. There's just numerous things that you can do with a device like this. It comes with a nice long 25-foot cable attached. Comes with an extension. So if you want to get around to the back of your vehicle or to the trailer, you can add the extension on there, all in one nice little bag. Bosscomm P180. It's kind of an essential tool to be able to diagnose all different types of electrical things and kind of have a 12-volt power supply in your hand. Just be careful not to overload your system, because you can, you're backfeeding voltage into an electrical system. So keep all that in mind, but it's a great tool.